witnesses to testify that there are other legitimate sources of income that the Chief Justice had. Now, this is quite an interesting strategy by the defense, as a lot of senator judges raised questions on what the significance of their testimonies are, considering the fact that Article 2.4, which deals with Corrona's alleged ill-gotten wealth, has already been dropped by the impeachment court. Now, the witnesses that they presented, the defense presented today, spoke about allowances received by Corona from different departments or places or workplaces that he has been employed in. We had Senate Electoral Tribunal Secretary Irene Guevara. Guevara testified about allowances received by the Chief Justice when he was a member of the Senate Electoral Tribunal. She said that he received 1,696,333 pesos and 38 cents total allowance from February 2008 to April 2009. She also testified that allowances cannot be used for personal purposes. This was also a similar statement said by another witness, Attorney Gurly Salarda of the House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal, where Corona was also a member. Salarda testified that Corona received a total of 2,504,022 pesos and 92 cents from January 2007 to February 2008, April 2009 to November 2009, and when he was a chairperson from November 2009 to May 2010. Now, Presiding Officer Juan Ponce Enrile reminded the public and the senator judges that this was not, although Corona had served for 3 years, it was not a continuous number of months. However, these are also years covered by the Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth of Chief Justice Corona that are part of the evidence of both the prosecution and defense, and that are being investigated in terms of the honesty of the disclosure of assets of Corona during those years. Now, Chief Judicial Staff Officer Araceli Bayuga was also back today and was under cross-examination by the prosecution. Bayuga testified that allowances received by the Chief Justice from the Supreme Court are also not meant to be used for personal purposes. However, Bayuga said that she was not sure how the justices used their allowances. All she said was she would disperse these allowances in cash. Bayuga also said that money not included in regular salary is not subject to withholding tax. So in the next few days, we are hoping to see how many more witnesses the defense will present addressing allowances or other sources of income of Corona. Ironically, even if Article 2.4 is not included or is no longer going to be considered by the senator judges in the charges. Now the prosecution is also having a press conference. Let's hear what they have to say.
Ay nakalagay sa SALN po natin. Ano po ang nakalagay sa SALN? At dito makikita po natin, hindi po tumataas o lumalagpas sa 3.5 million pesos. So,